Now in the mining issue, it is like this, that the government of Goa, that is the Director of Mines and Geology, has renewed 89 mining leases. Of those 89 mining leases, subsequently there are 20 that have not obtained environment clearance or EC. So there were only 69 mining leases that are available. Of those 69, we have granted consent to 57. We have rejected the consents for 9 mining operations. And in totality, although the Supreme Court cap is at 20 million metric tons, we have permitted mining only of 13.793 million metric tons per year. Okay? 13.793. You can say 13.8 very roughly. So what else we have done is that these mining consents that we will grant will be subject to some very strict conditions, which also includes setting up of ambient air quality monitoring stations. We'll be testing water quality in and around the mine. There'll be groundwater level testing. And we've also decided to form a monitoring committee that will be headed by the chairman of the board and will include the directors or decision makers of major mining companies.
The DMG had given the consent for the 89 leases. Okay, after that 20 leases have not got the EC actually, environment clearance 20 leases have मेळूंक शिले. After all 69 left. And भितरले 12 leases जे आसले, they have not appealed for the consent to operate in front of the Pollution Control Board. The 57 leases had given the permissions, okay, and which is the 13.7 million tons, okay, had already given. The 57 mining leases जे आसा हांकां consent to operate Pollution Control Boardच्या आयच्या मिटिंगेन दिल्ली आसा. ही बऱ्यांतली बरी मेजर आनी मोठी गजाल जी आसा ही आयच्या मिटिंगेंतल्यान जाल्ली आसा.